Hey everybody, Va.Railfan here coming to you from Suffolk, Virginia. Looks like we're eastbound, Norfolk Southern, coming at you. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. I didn't hear a symbol on this one, everybody, so I do apologize. When I get it, I'll pass it on. We got a big train DPU coming up, everybody. More than 906. Alright everybody, hope you enjoyed that video of that eastbound Norfolk Southern Manifest going to Suffolk, Virginia. Thank you for watching. See you down the rail.